feel that in the Alliance for Progress, for example, that Haiti, your country, stands at the very bottom of the list in the per capita finance handed out?
We are not looking for charity, but as you have been here, you see the country, you know yourself the big needs of the Republic of Haiti, yourself. I am sure you have made your own investigation already.
Well, I would say that you could use some help here, Doctor, if that's what you mean, from the Alliance for Progress.
Yes.
But you feel a bit bitter about this?
The Alliance for Progress?
Yes, you feel angry?
This is a very good program. This is a very good program. But unfortunately, until now, Haiti did not receive even $1 from that program.
I see. Well,
but we believe
yes,
that program, and from that program, Haiti can stand up. We believe that. This is our hope.
Would you like to have Alliance funds?
You know, the Chief of State cannot say everything.
I see.
You understand?
Well, the Chief of State has to be
Yes,
diplomatic, I can
that's
understand.
right. And if I was a newspaper, and I am, if I was a newspaper right now, today, I have been a newspaper for all my life, newspaperman.
Yes.
But now I'm a Chief of State. But if I was a newspaper now, I could answer to your question easily.
Well, you understand my desire to get an answer then.
Yes, I understand because we are the same family, because you are a newspaperman and I am a newspaperman.